Hello everybody, this is Mark Gummy, and we're going to get you guys an update on my Stanley door closer. I want to show you what I did. Let's open the door. You see I put 3 through bolts. And I'm gonna show you the fourth hole. There's nothing there because I tried to put 4 through bolts, but this top hole, it would not go directly through the door. I don't know why, but it just wouldn't. So it's just got 3 through bolts. Now it's time to demonstrate the closer with the speeds I have adjusted. The sweep is good and slow, and the latch is also a bit slower than the sweep, and it closes perfectly. I'll show you. We'll get you a latch shot. Yes. And I took the old strike off the door and I put a better one on there because with these speeds, the old strike was just having a little bit of a hard time closing the door. So I put the brand new strike on. So now we'll open it. Demonstrate it a couple times from the inside. And as you can see, I have filled some screw holes that were marked on this door. So it goes good and slow. Not slam. Does not slam. So anyways, that will be it.